seconds, you guys. 3, 2, 1, drop. So what we're doing here is we got Torstein getting pulled in with the sled with Matt Cook as the follow cam. They're gonna whip by us, go down this cat track right here, and then right about where the cat is, there's a little kicker, and Torstein's gonna send that, and Matt Cook's gonna be following with it.
Hey Torstein, will you throw another snowball and try to get it exactly where you think you're gonna land?
A little bit left of that.
Okay,
maybe
great.
not.
So I may actually cut in early, like here. That's probably what I'll do.
We're BTS with the GoPro crew.
Just stacking drone shots.
Stacking drone shots. What are we setting up here?
Well, Matt Cook is already doing a follow of the human drone, but I'm gonna do a follow of the human drone with the drone. Just trying to make some gold here. You want a radio and tell them we're ready?
Good luck, boys.
Good luck, girls.
Get some.
All right, you guys, we're ready.
Let's wait for the sun a little bit.
What are you saying?
He wants to wait for the sun for a second. We could wait a second. Yeah, it's already getting better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right here. Holy shit.
Dude.
I can't believe the pop you got off that, dude.
Matt, did you stack it?
Tell him I'm looking right now.
Peeping. A little bit out.
A little bit out.
But
we could do it again.
we can do it again.
You popped higher than I thought.
That's okay.
Sorry, man.
We might have to try this again. It was a little bit unpredictable on the height of the pop. Popped out of frame.
Dude, that jump was so fun. Are you gonna continue hitting it?
Yeah, dude. Recording?
Nope. Look this way. Yeah, that's good.
That's good, dude.
Yeah, let's get it. I'm just gonna get it up there on your takeoff. It's gonna be just right on top of you.
Huge. All right, we got the sun. Let's do it.
Yeah, everything's running.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
Holy shit. Torstein sent that.
Dude, I think we got that one, man. I was like up above you. God, I hope I got it.
Let's beat this. fish already.
Oh my.
No way!
Yeah, Tor.
No way. That was awesome. All right, we got that one, that's for sure.
Woo!
Did you guys check it?
Oh yeah.
Double checked it, dude.
And that is how you make an A+ shot for a launch video. What do you foresee happening on
I
this?
don't know. Why are you shooting vertical video? You're putting it on your story.
No, this is going on GoPro's story. Oh! Chris, I guess, doesn't want to be on the story, so...
No, I would love to.
No, we were going to tag you, but then you tried to be mean to me and say that I was doing it for
so
me.
Confused. But then it registered as I was asking the question. I was like, why are you shooting a vertical video? But then I was like, oh, you can add videos after the fact. It's not real time like everyone thinks. It's a big facade.
Oh my.
Yeah, you can go home now, you're done.
Yeah. You went so big.
That felt amazing.
Beauty again. Nice work, boys.
Even bigger than the first one, even better.
But we could go share some power.
Let's do more of that shit.